I'm Brad Levitt with AFT Construction. We are here at our modern sunset on the back patio, showing you the Eclipse Smart Heat Electric Portable from Bromic. Super easy install. We actually just put it together. We're going to show you how it's done. You only need 3 tools. You can see them right here. And the benefit of this device is not only do we have a fireplace out here, but again, unless you're up against the fireplace, you feel that heat. When you're in the seating area conversing, you'll need the dual function Eclipse with the heat and light function. So now you can see this is disassembled right here. We have Paul with me. Pretty easy as far as this goes from an install perspective, which makes it great for the end user, is right here we have the canopy. This is our first arm right here that goes in. It's very simple, A and B, and we have these mounting screws here. So these are Phillips head mounting screws. They mount into the arm here, and then we also have these set screws on either side. Those essentially are adjustment. That helps us level out the canopy depending on keeping it level once it's all finished up. So we had just connected this. It's really important that it's nice and tight there, and there's a cord you can see that runs through. So now that that's installed, we've installed the first piece here. We're gonna go through the second one, which is pretty easy. We're gonna feed this extension cord through. So I'll bring that guy in. Again, we just need a flathead, as I mentioned right here. So you do need a Phillips head just for the canopy there. And then here, you just have 2 screws here, nice and clean. They also have a little gasket on them. This helps from keeping any water from entering the element. This step is really important as we put in this final arm, or the leg, if you will. Make sure you have the cap installed. This is really important, so then that way it fits over the base here that gets bolted in. So that snaps into place. You can see there's a little sleeve right here. This is for the extension cord. And now this part's pretty important. We're gonna show you before we lift this into place. We actually have 10 weights in this. I believe it's over 330 pounds if I'm not mistaken, but this actually keeps the entire base in place. Really important, if you want to move this around, you can remove this entire piece, take the weights out, slide the base around, put the weights back in to the stationary position. You have 10 of these guys, and this helps keeps it weighted down. So again, these are just to be set in place. And then we have this platform right here. As you come on over, you're gonna see that base pedestal is gonna sit right here. And we have the Allen wrench, which will be used here for these 2. Keep it nice and secure. And then we have our crescent wrench here is just gonna tighten these bolts right here. Yep, I just need to come this way. There you go. How are we looking? Right there? Okay. And now after these are set, you can see here that we can hold it here at the base and keep it vertical. Now we'll plug that in, put it through the rubber gasket. That just snaps. See, there's a little slit in it, so it snaps just around the extension cord there. The power supply plugs right in. That gasket slides in a little notch right there. Again, all to prevent water. Just about all set, and we'll put the cover back on. The weights are in place. And this is ready to be fired up. Sits right into place, and you have this amazing sleek look with the Eclipse. Super easy install. And that's a wrap. We're sitting here, you can feel the heat, you have the benefit of the light, all in one.